Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can set up a RabbitMQ secrets engine on your Vault instance. So first things first, what we have to do is to make sure that the RabbitMQ is installed. And in order to install RabbitMQ, we have to do the following. So RabbitMQ install on CentOS 9 server world. I think that's gonna be the right tutorial. So what I will do is just basically copy paste this one. So we have the dnf install command that is going to prepare our repository. And the next one is some adjustment to enable the repository. And once it is done, we can go ahead and install the RabbitMQ server. So once the server is installed, we can use the enable command to enable it and start it. And then I have my firewall disabled, so this will not affect us. We have to add a user. So let's call this administrator. And password is going to be the password. Okay. So once this is done, we have to assign, or rather just let's see. So HTTP CentOS 9 15672. What? So we have we don't have we have to enable the management plugin. So basically we have the RabbitMQ plugins command that is going to enable the management plugin. And after that, we should be able to log in. Password. Not a management user. What? Oh, then maybe we have one missing part. So set user tag. Administrator. Cool. So let's try it. We were able to log in. And the idea of the RabbitMQ secrets engine is to dynamically be able to allow access to our users with a new credential to our RabbitMQ instance. So what we have to do is the following. We have to export the vault skip verify equals true command, and then we can use the vault login. So now we need the token. This is running on my local virtual machine. And once we are in, we can start and configure our RabbitMQ. So vault secrets enable RabbitMQ. Now, once the secret is enabled, we have to write a configuration. So vault write RabbitMQ config connection, and the connection URI is going to be HTTP 127.0.0.1 and 15672. And then the username is going to be administrator, and the password is going to be password. Cool. So now we have our config, and then we can create a role. So vault.write RabbitMQ roles and my role, and vhost will be as follows. So we want to provide to the root host access to the new user with the credentials, and we want to give it write access to the dot star and read access to the dot star. And yeah, now we have configured the secrets engine. If you go here, you can see that we have the RabbitMQ in the list, and that's basically it. And now, if we want, we can create or generate a new credential. So vault read RabbitMQ creds my role. And there we go. So as you can see, for the given role that we have configured, we have successfully generated a credential. This will be the password, and this will be the username. And if we go to our RabbitMQ server and click on the admin, you can see that this user was created, and we can log in with password. So this activate the set permission. That's okay. So let's try it. So we have the root user, and this is going to be the username, and this will be the password. And this is not a management user. So in order to fix it, we can use the set tags and then insert here the username. And after that, we are able to log in. And as you can see, currently this user does not have permissions to access any virtual hosts. So we can use set permissions to grant access to virtual hosts. And there we go. So currently, this is going to be the permission. And we have a module which is called Pika. So Pika is going to allow you to test this credential. So Python Pika module. And this is technically it. We can use pip install. Let's try it. So Python 3.9 -m pip install Pika. And after that, we should be able to log in. So Pika. Let's search for credentials. So authentication credentials. And here, this is the line that we need. So Python 3.9 import Pika. And then we create our credentials. This is going to be the username. And this is going to be the password. And then we can create the parameters from the credentials. And after that, we can connect. So connecting to get consume. All right. So Pika connect to RabbitMQ. So this is going to be 1. And for the host name, we should use the localhost. Unexpected quark. So this should be the host. And we are going to have the connection This will be it. And then we can create our channel. And then we should be able to create our queue. And access to queue hello in vhost refused. Let's see. So queues, add a new queue, classic hello, and add the queue. Access refused. Ho ho. So administrator password and queues, add the new queue hello, and durable arguments, add the queue. This is the hello queue, and maybe channel is closed. So connection channel. And last time, let's see in the admin. So vhosts, exchange, access to queue hello. Let's troubleshoot it. Maybe we can come up with a policy for this. So RabbitMQ set permissions. Ho ho. Maybe we can change the policy. So Vault write roles my role, and we say the star and star, and read it. Oh, this is not going to allow us to do this. How should we do it? So we have the queues, hello, classic, and bindings. So now let's try it once again. And we import Pika, and we create the credentials. So administrator and password, and then the parameters come from here, and we are going to create the connection, and then the channel, and then received false, true is high, durable. So we are missing a configuration parameter. And let's do it. So queue demo and inequivalent or durable. This is false, but current is true, so durable true. And channel is closed, so let's open up the channel once again. And now we were able to declare a new queue. So that was all. Basically, this is how you can use the RabbitMQ secrets engine. See you in the next one.